In this video, I will explain what a capacitor is and how it works. You will learn about its properties and why it is important in many electrical devices. A capacitor is a component that can store electrical energy. It consists of two metal plates separated by an insulator. When a voltage is applied, electrical charges accumulate on the plates. This stored energy can later be released. A capacitor charges when a voltage is applied. On one plate, positive charge accumulates, and on the other, negative charge. The charge remains stored as long as the capacitor is not discharged. When discharging, the current flows back into the circuit. There are many different types of capacitors, varying in shape and material. Ceramic capacitors are small and often found in electronic circuits. Electrolytic capacitors have a high capacitance and store a lot of energy. Film capacitors are durable and are used in many devices. Capacitance indicates how much electrical charge a capacitor can store. It is measured in the unit of farads F. A high capacitance means the capacitor can store a lot of energy. The capacitance depends on the size of the plates and the distance between them. When charging, the capacitor is connected to a voltage source. The charge accumulates on the plates until the maximum capacitance is reached. Depending on the resistance in the circuit, the charging process can be faster or slower. Once the voltage source is removed, the charge remains. A capacitor discharges when a closed circuit is present. The stored current flows from one plate to the other. The discharge can happen quickly or slowly, depending on the resistance in the circuit. After discharging, the capacitor returns to a neutral state. Capacitors are used in many electronic devices. They stabilize voltages, store energy, and assist in signal processing. In flash units, they provide short, intense light pulses. They also play an important role in motors and radios. A defective capacitor can no longer store its charge properly. In electronic devices, this can cause malfunctions or failures. Sometimes a capacitor may swell up or leak. In such cases, it needs to be replaced to make the device functional again. Capacitors are essential components in electrical engineering. They help store energy and control electrical signals. Without them, many electronic devices would not function properly. Their versatile applications make them indispensable in modern technology.